Chinchillas are super soft. Hi, I'm Justine. Welcome to my series about things. My series about things. Today is video number 2. This is the second video. Today we're going to talk about things that are soft. Things that feel soft on our skin. Things that feel soft. The first thing that is soft is a blanket. Blankets feel soft. Blankets feel soft on our skin. Blankets are cozy. Blankets feel comfortable. Cozy is another word for comfortable. When something feels nice on our body, it is comfortable or cozy. I love big, cozy blankets. This orange and white blanket is very cozy. Number 2, the second thing that is soft is a teddy bear. This is a teddy bear. A teddy. We also call them stuffed animals or a stuffy. A teddy or a stuffy. Teddy bears are soft. Teddy bears feel soft. Children love teddy bears. Children love to cuddle with their teddy bears. Teddy bears are soft and cozy. I still have my teddy from when I was small, from when I was little. My teddy's name was Happy because my teddy made me feel happy. Number 3, the third thing that is soft is a pillow. This is a pillow. You use a pillow at night when you sleep. When you need to rest your head, you use a pillow. Pillows are soft. Pillows feel cozy. Number 4. The fourth thing that is soft is fur on an animal. Lots of animals have very soft fur. Kittens have soft fur. Kittens are very soft. Rabbits are also soft. Rabbits have soft fur. Chinchillas are super soft. Chinchillas are so soft and fluffy. Fluffy is when something is soft and thick. Soft and thick. And it's squishy. You can squish it. This is squishing. A chinchilla is soft and fluffy because it feels squishy. There's lots of fur to squish gently. When animals have soft fur, people like to pet them. It feels nice to pet an animal with soft fur. Petting an animal with soft fur feels nice. Do you have a favorite animal that you like to pet? Tell us in the comments. And stay tuned for my next video in my series about things. Thank you for watching. Bye.